Hello guys, what's up? I'm back here for you, and today I will show you how you can get paid worldwide by PayPal. 90 seconds, $9. What if you could make $9 every 90 seconds just by liking videos? Every 90 seconds, guys, you make money. I would kill myself if I'm to miss out on this strategy, as only a fool would do it. You can get paid a lot by simply liking these videos, and guys, this works in every country out there. It doesn't matter where you come from, you only have to follow this video carefully, and after that, you're all set for huge profits. Let's make some money, guys. I'm here to help you with some guidance, and as always, please like the video and make sure you subscribe so you can be with me whenever I find some new method for making money online. This is your money machine, and now let's go to step number 1. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. So let's start with our method today, guys. First, what you need to do is you need a PayPal account, because that's the exact way you're gonna get paid with this website, and I'm gonna show you later. So first of all, come on to paypal.com, click on the sign up button over here, and make sure that you choose personal account over here, because that's what you need. Click on continue button. Next on, you should just enter your mobile number in this box over here, click next, and once you have your own PayPal account, we can proceed to step number 2. And now this is it, guys. This is the website that I've been talking about. This is the website that's gonna pay us for liking simple videos on YouTube. This is the craziest method I have found, and this is really profitable, guys. As you can see here, workers can sign up and then browse micro jobs, select jobs that you like, finish tasks, and submit proof, earn money, and much more. As you can see, this is their payment proof. As you can see, there are a lot of jobs that you can complete and earn yourself some money. So basically, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers, guys. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. This is the perfect website, guys. I made a lot of money with it, and now is the time that I pass this on to you. So what you need to do right now is to click on the sign up button, which is located here, and then complete this simple form here by entering your name, your email address, password, and choose your country. As you can see, there are a lot of countries here, so it doesn't matter where you come from, you're still able to use this website and get yourself some money in your PayPal account. So it doesn't matter which country you come from, I repeat that, and also you don't need any skills for this, you don't need any investment. It's totally free to make this new account here. But beware, because these are the rules here. So using VPN or other type of masking IP software is bannable. You can get banned if you use VPN. Also, don't share multiple accounts with the same RP, and don't do other country jobs that you're not from. So just make sure that you abide to these rules and you won't get banned, and that way you will make money, guys, every day. Once you do that, just complete this captcha and click on create my account. Now, once you make yourself a new account, you can see that your account has been created. The verification email was sent to your email address, so make sure you enter a valid email address, because you will need to go and confirm your address. And this is how it's gonna look like when you confirm your email. So your account is now active and you're logged into Rapid Workers. And all you have to do from here is to click on list available jobs. And now here's the fun part, guys. These are all of the jobs that are available on this website. As you can see, there are plenty of these. It's a never-ending story with this. I can go like this for the whole day and I won't be able to see all of the jobs that are right here. As you can see, there are some from USA, there are some international jobs, there are some for Canada, Brazil, international jobs. So you can make from every single country there is. India, USA, international, Denmark, Sweden, Norway. But as far as these international goes, you can choose whatever you like. and live wherever you want on earth and still make money. As you can see, the prices are here on the right side, so you can get like $1, $0.06, 0.25, 0.75. So these quickly add up because you only need a few seconds to finish each one of these. So it's a great opportunity if you have some free time, and I bet you have. You can come here and make yourself profitable with the Rapid Workers website. Now, we were telling that we're gonna earn money today by liking videos. So what I want you to do, guys, is you can just click here in the job name and type in YouTube, then click on enter. And this will open all of these different jobs that are related to YouTube, and then you can just go and like and subscribe to other people's channels and you will earn money. Just see how much there are. Now just click here on most paying, and that will filter that the most paying ones will be on the top. As you can see, this one over here will pay you $11, but that's if you're from India. It only works in India and it only takes 8 minutes of your time. But down there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of jobs, so you can just go, for example, register and win $2 for 3 minutes. And you can complete registration in even less time. So let's just click on that and let's see what it's all about. And as you can see, they will explain here what is required of you to finish these jobs. And it says here, what is expected from workers? Go to this link, complete 2 easy offers, fill in your number and confirm for each task. Required proof that task was finished. Upon completion, you will receive a special number that you will send to me. That's it, guys. That's what you need to do in order to get $2. When you finish this one, go back and just choose another job that you are interested in. And there are a lot of these, as you can see. It's a really crazy method, guys. You can get a lot of money using this, and a lot of people are already doing this. A lot of them are making money with this, so you can simply come here and choose whatever interests you the most. Now, I don't really know if there is a more simpler method than this to make money. If there is, please write me about it in the comment section, because I would want to do it as well, because I think that this is the most simple method in which you can earn plenty of money, guys. And when you do these jobs, when you are satisfied with the amount of money that you've got, all you have to do is to click on this withdraw button over here, and you can see here that you can place a withdrawal request only if your balance is over $8. So $8 is a really low threshold, so as soon as you hit that threshold of $8, you're able to receive your money into your PayPal accounts. Be aware that they only accept PayPal accounts. And what you need to do is you have to send an email to this email over here, and you will enter your email, your PayPal email, and your IP address under last login, and you will get your payment within 24 to 48 hours. And that's it, guys. That's the perfect option. Perfect money-making strategy which everyone can do wherever you live on the planet. Here you can track your task that you finished. You can check your campaigns here. You can make your account in whichever way you want it right here. And available jobs are over here. And as I've told you, you just type in YouTube in this section here, click enter, and as you can see, there is YouTube channel subscribes, easy task. Click on it and you will see, go to YouTube, find this channel and subscribe to it. And that's it. You will provide a screenshot that you've done it and the money is yours. And once you do the task, just go and search for another one, guys, and you can make yourself really profitable with this website. It's easy task that you can do while laying in your bed on your phone. Just click on it, see what needs to be done, like the videos, subscribe if there is needed to be, and that's it. That's a perfect option, guys. And you need to do it because everyone else is making their time count. Everyone else is making money online, and you needed to do it as well. So go out there, take some action, guys, and make yourself proud. This is your money machine, and I'll catch you guys later.